Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to be showing you how to update the firmware in your JBL Flip 6 portable speaker. It's really quite simple to do and it'll ensure that your speaker is running as intended with all the latest features. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now if you haven't done so already, you need to download the JBL Portable App. It is free on both Android and Apple. You can just go ahead and do a search for this in your App Store. We'll go ahead and open that up. Now, if you haven't done so already, you will need to connect your speaker to your phone via Bluetooth. It's going to start trying to discover your speaker. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. I've already connected this to my phone, but you may need to hit the Bluetooth button here on the back so it goes into pairing mode to connect it for the first time. So there it is. It discovered my Bluetooth speaker. Now for myself, it jumped right into the settings page for my speaker, but if that doesn't happen for you and the page looks something like this, just make sure you tap on the speaker here in the corner and then it says tap to connect right here and connect your speaker. Now you may notice it says software update available. We could go ahead and tap on that and that'll get us to where we can update the software. If you're not seeing that, we want to scroll down to the bottom here where it says product information. We can go ahead and tap on that. And here at the bottom, you'll see the software option and it says new version available here. We can go ahead and tap on that. Now on the next page here, it's going to say what's new. So what the improvements are going to be with the software or firmware update. And we're going to go ahead and hit update here. Now it's going to start transferring the file over to our speaker. Again, this has to be all connected. I've seen in other places that you may need to have your speaker plugged in. So if it's asking you to plug it in, it's probably because your battery level is a little bit low. You can go ahead and do that as well while we wait or ahead of time. We'll just let that finish up its transferring there. It says there's about 50 seconds left. So I'll come back to you as soon as this is complete. And it says the update will start automatically when the transfer is complete. There we go, it's updating. My speaker seems like it turned off. And it turned back on again. Update successful. You are all set. Let's party. And it is done. And it's really that simple to update the firmware here on your JBL Flip 6 Bluetooth speaker. I hope this video gave you value. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.